Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Beelinguapp Pro, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Beelinguapp Pro, start by opening the app on your device. On the home screen, locate and tap the login button. If you don't see the button, check the top right corner of the screen. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Beelinguapp Pro account. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Make sure your password is entered correctly, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Once you've entered your credentials, tap the login button to proceed. If your information is correct, the app will log you into your account. In case you forget your password, look for the Forgot Password option. Tap this link to receive instructions on how to reset your password. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, you can explore all the features available in Beelinguapp Pro. If you encounter any issues, consider checking your internet connection. Make sure that you have the latest version of the app installed. If problems persist, try reinstalling the app or contacting customer support. With these steps, you can easily access your Beelinguapp Pro account and enjoy learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.